Welcome to ECLIPSE Cottages. My name is Justin Draplin, and today I'm going to start to explain some of our smart housing technology that we're going to be implementing in all of our cottages. So this is a switch. This is a wireless smart switch. It's a very simple design. They're made to go anywhere. So all of our homes, all of our light switches are replaced with these wireless switches. These are Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled. So not only can you take this switch and put it anywhere and it'll control that light, you can get additional switches. You can put them anywhere you want. You can have an extra switch that you leave loose and just leave it by your nightstand, and you can just hit the button on your nightstand to turn on those lights. You can also connect these via your phone. So with the app, you can actually control turning them on and off. You can set timers and all that kind of stuff with your switches. Now, this is just a small piece of the smart housing stuff that we're working on. Some of the things that we're going to be adding into the home are sensors to track your energy usage, water usage, make sure that there's no leaks going on in your cottage. You're going to see our smart housing technology really make some expansion here coming into 2023. We're working on a lot of neat sensors to include in the home to make your home safer, make it more efficient, and make it more secure. So if you are a member of our Total Eclipse package, not only will that cover all your warranty items, but you'll get updates along the way as well. So as we make updates to the technology within the home, you'll actually get those updates in your cottage. So that's just an added benefit of our Total Eclipse package. So visit ECLIPSECottages.com for more information, and stay tuned to our social media for more information as we roll out some of our smart housing technology.